Hello everyone. Before we start, if you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. In this video, I will show you how to place your logo onto an image of your product or work. Adding a watermark is easy, but it becomes challenging when dealing with 200 or 400 product images. Today, I will share a Python script that will do the job with one click. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and visit codandream.net/watermarkimage and hit enter. This will automatically download the script's zip file. After downloading the zip file, move it to your favorite spot, such as your desktop, and unzip it. Inside the folder, you will find 4 files: an image folder, a logo, .png file, the script main.py, and a readme file. We don't need the readme file for now. Replace the logo.png file with your own logo, ensuring that your logo has the same name, logo.png, and is in PNG format. Next, open the image folder and delete the example image. I'm going to paste my product images here. As you can see, these pictures don't have any watermarks. Select all your product images and drag them into the image folder. Now go back to the main folder. Before proceeding further, we need to do one more thing. Open your Windows search bar and type Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, search for Python and install it. Once Python is installed, go back to the folder. Click the address bar in the folder and type cmd, then hit enter. A terminal will open. Now run the script by typing python main.py and hitting enter. The script will ask if you want to continue with the current version. Press Y and then enter. Boom! All the images are now watermarked. In the folder, you will find a new folder named Watermarked Images. Open it. And you will see all the images have been successfully watermarked in the corner. I'm going to delete this folder and change the logo. I've changed the logo. Now I will open my terminal again and run the same command. As you can see, it successfully watermarked all the images with the new logo I just added in one click. This script is currently in beta version. I will update it as soon as possible to add more functions, such as choosing where the logo will be placed and how many times it will be placed. Until next time, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this.